see some Marion Square Park. All right, this is the spot. All right, let's check out what local wildlife we can find inside Marion Park, Dublin, Ireland. That's the biggest pigeon I've ever seen. That New York pigeon is a shame. He's eating well here in Dublin. Okay, here's a specimen right here. Let's take a closer look. All right, what species of bird is this? That's the biggest pigeon I've ever seen. That New York pigeon is a shame. He's eating well here in Dublin. Okay, that's a quick look at the wildlife inside Dublin City Centre, Dublin, Ireland, Marion Park. Comment below. Tell us about the wildlife that's local to the Dublin area. Check out our wide range of content that we cover here on this channel, including travel and leisure. Thanks for watching 640 AM The Mix, New York's only home for house and techno, and so much more. Thanks for watching.